Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about Reach Cable's 100-foot long iPhone iPod charger. So it comes in a package that looks like this. And let me open it. It has a Ziploc pouch to it. And it looks like this when you pull it out of the bag. It has a woven texture to it, but unlike their Droid charger, it is circular, not flat. But you can see that it is very long, measures to 10 feet in length, and we have tested it out with my sister's iPod, and we've found that it does charge very well on the iPod. But we tried it with her iPad and it would not charge. So it is not strong enough to charge an iPad, but it will charge an iPod or an iPhone. But on their packaging, it says that it would charge the iPad. So you just have to be careful when going about that. If you guys would like to, you can check out the link to my blog that I will post in the description, and I will also post the link to the Amazon page for you to purchase this cord. Thanks.